In this video I'm gonna show you different ways to round corners in After Effects. You can download this project file in the description down below. The first method will be to round shape layers. So let's grab a rectangle tool and let's create a little rectangle here. I'm gonna center this, and to round this layer we have to open the layer, go here to add and select the round corners option. You have to open it, and if you increase this you will round the corners. This method works with shape and vector layers. In the case you want to round the corners of an image, you can use this shape layer as a matte. So select the image, grab the track matte pick whip and select your shape layer. Now let's position the rectangle in the middle of the image, so let's show it. Grab the track matte pick whip and select your shape layer. Grab it here by the middle and hold Ctrl to center it in the center of the image, and you can change the rectangle size here to make it fit accordingly. Also you can change the amount of roundness. Now I'll show you another way to round the corners without using the track mattes. So I'm gonna delete this shape layer, select your image, go here to your shape tools and select the rounded rectangle tool. Now make a mask the same size as your image. You will see now you will have rounded corners, and you can increase the roundness with the mouse wheel or with the arrows, with up and down. And here you can see it's less rounded. But for me this isn't the best way. And also this way doesn't work if you want to round the corners of an image like this one. And I want to round any single corner. So how do we make this? First I'm gonna delete the mask and I'm going to show you with this image. We have to add the effect roughen edges. And now if we increase this border property, you will see the edges looks kinda weird now. So to avoid that to happen, let's decrease the fractal influence to 0. And now we can increase the border. But you can see the edges are like too blurry. So let's increase the edge sharpness to 10. There you go. And now you can see it's this easy to round the corners. But if you want to round the corners even more, because the limit here is 500, you can duplicate this effect. So select the effect and press Ctrl D until you have your desired result, like this for example. But you can see a little problem here. If I grab all the effects and disable it, you can see the image here at the bottom and also at the top gets a little blurry with all of these roughen edges. You can see it here without it and with it. So to fix that we have to change the edge type from roughen to cut, and that will fix it. And now I'll show you with my logo. If you have an image like this one and you want to round all the corners, let's add the roughen edges effect, and it's the same thing. You have to increase the border. Now it looks like this, so you decrease the fractal influence to 0. Now looks better, but it looks blurry. So increase the edge sharpness. And now you have all the corners rounded, and you can round it even more. That way you can round anything in After Effects. If this was helpful for you, consider liking and subscribing. If you're starting in motion graphics, want to improve fast and build a solid portfolio, join Animation Essentials in the link in the description.